Imagine this. You upload your syllabus, your PDFs, your notes, and within seconds, an AI explains everything like a teacher, turns your notes into a podcast you can listen to, creates a presentation for you, and answers your questions based only on your own material. Sounds unreal, right? But this is actually possible with a powerful AI tool called NotebookLM. In today's video, I'm going to show you how students and researchers are using this tool to save hours of study time, understand complex topics easily, and even convert boring notes into audio lectures and smart summaries. And the best part? This AI doesn't just guess like normal tools. It works strictly on your uploaded data, which means more accurate, more trustworthy answers. In this complete tutorial, you'll learn step-by-step how to upload your documents, generate summaries, create podcast-style audio, build presentations, and use AI like your personal study assistant. So if you're tired of long PDFs and confusing notes, this might be the smartest tool you'll ever use.
Let's begin. First, open your browser and search for NotebookLM on Google. Click on the official link. Make sure you open the correct website. Once the page loads, you will see the NotebookLM web interface. Click on the Try NotebookLM button to get started. Now, click on Create New to begin a new notebook. A message bar will appear. This is where you can interact with the AI. Here, you will find multiple options. You can upload files, attach a website or YouTube link, connect Google Drive, or paste your own text. Let's start by uploading a file. Click on the Upload button and select a PDF document. For this example, I am uploading a PDF on software engineering. Once the file is uploaded, NotebookLM processes the content and makes it ready for interaction. Now, let's explore one of the most powerful features: audio podcast. Click on the audio option, and you will see different styles. I will select the debate mode. The podcast is now generating. This may take a few moments, so please wait. And here it is, your AI-generated podcast is ready. You can now listen to your notes in an engaging audio format.
Welcome to the debate. In 1999, NASA lost a $125 million Mars climate orbiter.
Ouch. Yeah. Iterations.
But without that formal contract, you are completely defenseless against scope creep.
The desire for financial predictability. I do. But those estimation techniques are deeply tethered to
Next, let's explore more features such as slides, quizzes, and video explanations. Click on Quiz. You will see options like fewer, default, or more questions, along with difficulty levels such as easy, medium, and hard. I will select the default settings. At the same time, we can also generate slides. Notice that NotebookLM allows multiple outputs to be created simultaneously. Now, let's also generate a whiteboard-style explainer video. Select your preferred option and click Generate. The quiz is now ready. Open it, and you will see multiple choice questions with 4 options each. After submitting one question, the next appears. You also get hints to help you find the correct answer. The slides and video may take some time to generate depending on your internet speed and device performance. So please be patient. Meanwhile, you can also generate a complete summary of your notebook in a single message. This provides a clear and concise overview of your entire document. Now, our slides are ready. Take a look at the quality: clean, structured, and easy to understand. You can download these slides by clicking on the three dots and selecting the download option. They are available in both PDF and PPTX formats. Now, the video lecture is ready. Let's play it. As you can see, it presents the content like a real teacher, combining visuals and voice to create an engaging learning experience.
Ready to debunk a massive myth about the digital world you use every single day? Let's go. You see, software isn't just typing code. It's a structured engineering discipline keeping your apps from collapsing. Software actually rots because the digital environment around it keeps shifting. Lemon's law hits the nail on the head. If code doesn't evolve, it basically becomes totally obsolete. Think about a banking app. It needs constant updates for new tax laws.
You can also download the video using the same three-dot menu. In addition to these features, NotebookLM can generate mind maps, data tables, quizzes, audio, slides, and more, depending on your needs. Another powerful feature is using external content. Simply copy the link of a website or YouTube video, paste it into the message bar, and click Insert. Now, you can ask the AI to summarize or explain that content. For example, I will ask, "Provide a summary of this video." Within seconds, NotebookLM generates a well-structured summary in clear points, making it easy to learn and understand. And that's how you can use NotebookLM as a complete AI-powered study assistant. Next, let's explore the infographic feature. This creates a visual summary of your entire document in a single view, very useful for quick revision.